guys, it's Indiana Banana here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Joystick. I'm not sure if you probably heard about this, but it's an e-cigarette, but there is no tar, no tobacco, no nicotine, and all that other bad stuff that's in a normal cigarette. I will open this for you guys right now and show you what it does. Okay, open this up. Okay, here you go. There you go. It says no tar, no tobacco, no nicotine, no toxins, no odor. Right. No odor. Indoor use. Up to 600 puff, and it's recyclable. Now, when I opened this morning, I ordered a packet of 5 in the bubblegum flavour, and I received a free peach flavoured e-cigarette. You call it? They look like that. That's like in a little tubey thing. I'll show you what they look like. They look like this. That's the peach flavour. They look like that. Ooh la la. The packet ones look like that. And this is the bubblegum flavour. It's in a pack of 5. I've already taken one out to give to someone already. When you open them, you can smell the bubblegum instantly. So what I'll do for you now is I will demonstrate what it does. Just pull that one out, and you have this little thingy there. You just pop it off, and what you do, obviously, you smoke it like a normal cigarette. This one, I can't necessarily taste a bubblegum flavour. I can taste sort of a bubblegum, but it doesn't really, you can smell it, but you can't necessarily taste that intense bubblegum flavour. I like intense bubblegum flavour, but that's basically, that's what it is. So this one is pink. They come in all different flavours. I know that they had a limited edition black cherry flavour, but I'm not sure if they stock those anymore. But the flavours they do have are apple, grape, strawberry, peach, blueberry, and bubblegum. Now in the packet satchel, I got a card, so if you guys want to check them out, there's just stuff on that, and there's the other things that you can find. I'll put everything, all their links, in the doobly-doo-doo-doo, in the, yeah, whatever you call that thing down there, and yeah, so just pop that back in there. This was my first YouTube video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god, my dog just farted.